Hey guys, welcome back. We're back on our crypto night tonight looking at CRO. Now CRO is one that has seen a really big run up. You guys will see that on the chart. We're up massively in the past few days and especially in the past month or two. So now we've seen a day or two of red. CRO down by 14.31%. We're talking about what comes next for this one and giving you all of my personal opinions and a few of my personal thoughts going forwards into tomorrow. Now, as I must stress, it's only my opinion, nothing more, not advice, just what I personally believe. So do your own research and do not listen to me, as this is only my opinion, but we are going to try and run through this one relatively quickly. But first we're going to just establish what we've seen in the past 7 days. So really we've seen this one run from a price at 52, now this is 52 cent by the way, all the way up to a price of 95 cent. It basically doubled in a matter of 7 days. And now we're coming down. So is this to be expected? Of course it is. Of course we're going to fall after running up so high. Is it unusual? No. Is it concerning? No. Not in my opinion at all. When anything runs as high, I usually avoid it. I would not buy it at this price, simply due to the fact if you've seen a run up like this, chances are the FOMO has happened, the hype has happened, the event has happened. Now, am I saying that CRO is a bad coin? Am I saying that I would not buy CRO? Of course no. I do actually believe it is a very good token. I think it has a lot of potential going forwards. However, looking at this one, I just think it's very, very hard to gauge where it is going next. I do think right now there is a potential to drop lower. So whilst I'm saying it is a relatively good token in my opinion, I also do understand the fact that this one has run up almost, almost 100% in a matter of days, and you guys should also understand that. People are going to be taking profits. People who bought it at 20 or below, of course they're going to be taking profits. Is this unusual? No, it's not. It's exactly what you would expect. So I'm not worried. I'm just saying that I am expecting a bit more of a drop going forwards. So the question is, where is that drop going to take us to? And because we're seeing such a big steep run up so quickly, we don't really have that many levels of support close to where we are. Now today has been a relatively flat candle, especially compared to the one that we have seen yesterday, but as you'll see from the numbers, it is bringing us down by a lot. Now, the levels of support that we could be looking at could be as near as if we look to this one, almost where we are right now, because you will see if we bring this bar up over here, which is our little bar, if we bring it up a little bit, we are kind of finding 2 wicks over here at this price point of 76,140. So you're seeing a wick down here, which is touching this point. You've seen another wick from today, which is touching very near to this point. And again, that is very early signs. I'm not saying that the sell-off is over, because it absolutely can continue, but again, that possibly could be a level of support. Below that, like I said, we don't really have too much data to go off, but I would be looking at a fair support level, which would be around 53. Now really, I would like to see this one continue to find a support above that, but really, like I said, we don't really have too much data for that. We could be looking at one around the 70 cent mark. This would of course allow us to sell off a little bit and bring us up to where we were just a matter of days ago when we were at this point here. And again, below that, we're looking for an absolute bottom at the 40 cent range. Now, do I believe it's going to drop that low? Hopefully not. Hopefully it's not going to drop that low, but I think this one does have the potential now to go to the low 70s into tomorrow. Again, if we see another drop of 10% tomorrow, 13% tomorrow, am I going to be worried? No, I'm not. And I know this may seem like a bit of a bearish video, but guys, I'm not trying to be bearish, but it is also important to establish when something is a little bit overvalued in the short term. Is CRO worth $1? Potentially it is. Potentially it could be worth $1. Is CRO worth $1 right now? Again, whilst it may have that potential fundamentally, you need to look at the charts and you need to establish how far this one is up in the past week, in the past month. It absolutely does have that potential to drop lower now, in my opinion, and that is not a bad thing. So tomorrow, yes, I'm expecting a bit more red. Again, the question is, are we going to hit our first support? Are we going to start to level out back here? Or are we just going to start to drop a little bit lower, bring us down a little bit into the low 70s, where we could potentially find a support after seeing these candlesticks slowly start to slow down, and of course seeing the momentum downwards run out, and potentially get us ready for another push up. But really below that, we're looking at levels around 53, but obviously I would like to see this one kind of start to level out and consolidate before that, but only time will tell. But yes, my opinions for tomorrow are that we are possibly going to see another drop. So thank you for this one, guys. I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen, you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously, it is split into multiple sections. Basically, at the top, we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further, we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs, and other hot stocks, including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well. And we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down, you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes, and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.